We're at Indie Coffee Roasters. Normally I'd get one of these, but I think I'm gonna get a matcha. These are our drinks. It's so nice out, you guys. It feels like summer. We just went to Indie Coffee Roasters and I got, it's like a tea with vanilla and orange or something. It just sounded like refreshing for this warm summer day that we're having. But that's all I had to say. Just our coffee run. We're gonna watch this movie I've been wanting to watch. All right, we're gonna open up day 11 on the advent calendar. I can't believe tomorrow's the big day. We'll get to open up the last door. Okay, here's this. Whoa, I really zoomed in. All right, we're at a place called Twisters. It's like Swig, but it's called Twisters. So we're gonna get some seltzers. Here's what I can see of the menu, you guys. They also have iced coffees, it looks like. Just like Smile. All right, I'm trying my drink. What do you think about it? Wow, that's actually quite flavorful.
Mine's good.
How's yours? Connor's has butterscotch in it.
It's paired to Swig. It's actually got a better butterscotch flavor in my opinion.
Oh, good.
You've tried that from there before?
Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing.
Oh, how's yours?
It's good.
It's very sparkly. It almost tastes like soda. I would go to Twisters if you're ever in Noblesville, Indiana. They were really nice and it wasn't that expensive. I think, what'd you say the drinks were? 3 drinks were $13?
No, I think 3 for 11.
3 for 11. Okay, that must have been the tip. But 3 for 11, and it's a good size, 16 ounce. So yeah, we'll see you guys later. I don't know that I'll be vlogging anymore, but maybe I will. I gotta open the Sunny Angel, so I'll do that when we get home. But yeah, bye. We're at Goodwill now, and I'm with my drink. And I'm looking at the books and movies and stuff right now. We're going to another Goodwill because we had such success at the last one. We're looking for some containers to hold things at the wedding. It's going okay. I'm getting this for something. It's a little bit ugly, but it's a little bit cute because it's a heart. Can you guys see the stars? Okay, now you can't, but if I don't have it zoomed in, you can kind of see the stars. We're gonna open this now. We only have one more unboxing after this, so hopefully this is a good one. Ooh, it looks like it's a little pre-opened. Where's the thing? This is festive. It's a reindeer with a present shirt. All right, happy Christmas Eve, everybody. We're gonna open up one of the 2 Sunny Angels that comes out of day 12, and we'll do the other one tomorrow for Christmas. As you can see, there's 2 in here. I also kind of ripped the door off, but we're gonna open this one first, which feels lighter. This might actually be Rob. Okay, let's see. All right, I have an audience of Annie and Connor, and we're gonna open up what I can tell is a Robbie. I wonder what he looks like. I bet he has to be red, right? He's white with a little mistletoe. Have you ever seen a Robbie before, Annie? Like up close? No. This is Annie's first time viewing a Robbie. He's actually, this is so worth the advent calendar. He's adorable. All right, here's everyone we've got so far. Robbie is definitely my new favorite. We're gonna try to get coffee here, even though I can't tell if it's open. Oh, it is open. We're going to Proof Rock. They have a location of this like in maybe Broad Ripple or Indy. And now there's one here. My matcha came in this like little can. Oh, I need to wipe it off though because I have matcha all over me. Cheers. This matcha seems like it's slightly off in color, but this tastes fine. I'm a pretty harsh critic though. It's strawberry, by the way. Now we're gonna go see Marty Supreme. I can't wait. We have our drinks, and we're at AMC for Marty Supreme. We're in here. I thought they'd maybe have a poster or something for free, like at the little guest services, but they don't. And I really, really wanted one. So hopefully they'll have some out later. But I'm really excited for this movie. I'm hoping it'll be a 4.5 or 5, but I'll let you know right after. Also, I brought my matcha in. Nobody said a word. Sometimes I get, like, you get in trouble. Okay, while we were in the theater, they moved this poster from inside to outside, so I thought it was gone. And I was like, that's crazy. But here's the poster. Okay, here's the reveal. These are the cookies that my aunt made. There is some cute hearts with little candy canes, IU, a ring, some cute cakes, and this one that says Merry Christmas, as in getting married. I didn't notice that. There's also this little cute coffee with a heart. Cheers to Marty Supreme. We're gonna do the last day of the advent calendar. Let's see what it is. We're back in Chicago and look what arrived. Our new and last ornament of Christmas. The movie was amazing, so go watch it. I gave it 5 stars. Thanks for watching Vlogmas. I'll see you next year with more vlogs.